6 fantastic Christmas marketing ideas for holiday season sales in 2022. 1. Christmas website for the holiday season. Red and green colors, Santa's hat, and the theme should all be present. To bring the holiday spirit to your website, use festive graphics and effects such as snow falling through the screen, candles, Christmas trees, and holiday stockings. 2. Provide a Christmas gift wrapping service. During the holiday season, gifts account for 53% of total spending. As a result, offering a gift wrapping service at this time is a great idea. Customers who value saving time and effort will appreciate this opportunity. Apple, for example, offers $5 gift wrapping that includes a greeting card with your message and a red ribbon. 3. Offer special Christmas gifts to shoppers. Consumers may feel overwhelmed when it comes to purchasing Christmas gifts. Must promote gift bundles to make shopping for them more accessible. Every shopper appreciates a good deal. Customers will enjoy these offers even more if they solve their budget problems while meeting their needs. 4. Christmas and holiday marketing via social media. Social media is an excellent way to get customers in the holiday spirit, advertise your Christmas deals, hold contests, gain new customers, and increase sales. 75% of people buy products they see advertised on social media, where they can also get information and feedback. As a result, you should not disregard your social media accounts to increase your overall Christmas sales. 5. Make your Christmas offers feel more important. Provide customers with a limited-time holiday offer on the homepage. The product should have a vibrant and festive appearance. The advancing time-limited offers and deals allow purchasers to make quick decisions based on their interests and immediate transaction. To emphasize the effect of Christmas shopping, use words like last day or shop now. 6. Donate to charity programs this holiday season. Christmas is a magical time of year, so why not try to perform this miracle on your own? Many large corporations excel at this. You can increase brand awareness as a small business owner by volunteering for a local charity. If you cannot fund the entire project, form a group with other local vendors. They would be very interested in doing this.